back to my channel, friend. Thank you so much, friends, for stopping by. In today's video I would like to share with you guys part of my routine throughout this weekdays. So what I used to do to make life easy for me, I bake every night. So this will be one of our breakfasts. The kids love it. So this breakfast is called Rock Buns. You can keep Rock Buns in a room temperature in a cold press for 3 days. It's just like a bread, but it's tasty because they have a coating butter and lots of sugar. So I just let me share with you, if a workaholic parent like me, I would like to share with you, if you want to add this to your recipe, it's very handy and my kids love it, the family like it, I love it as well. I'm going to be having some tomorrow. I will definitely take some few to work tomorrow. So this is what I'm going to be baking for the kids breakfast instead of bread. So I would like to bring you guys along with me. Please bake with me. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, share the video for friends, for your friends or family. If you like baking, I love baking. I do a lot of stuff in my channel, guys. So let's dive to the baking. 1 cup of flour. So it's going to be self-raising flour, okay? If you don't have self-raising, you can use plain flour with baking soda. So along with 1 cup of sugar is, so I'm going to just try to do this. I don't know the reason why I'm even saving it is because of this. So guys, the next is going to be a pinch of, just tiny bit of pinch of salt, because the margarine is what I'm going to use, it has a little bit of butter, so just tiny pinch. We had in my butter, my margarine butter there. So we say, so I'm going to be using my hand, to be honest. If you're using hand, so I'll be using my hand here, or cinnamon or nutmeg, so it depends what you want. You can use 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon. So this is the consistency I normally love. So guys, at this point, if you have raisin, you can add raisin, or you can have any dry fruit of your choice. But my children doesn't like raisin. If it's me, I will add raisin. They won't touch it. They don't like fruit bake. So guys, the next, followed by 3 eggs, 3 large eggs. So you can use free range or organic. So here I use organic, or if you have your spatula, you can still use that. So I don't want you to get confused. I'm going to be adding a little bit of milk. So I'm going to add, you will know when the milk, I didn't even use all the milk. So guys, make sure you preheat your oven for 10 minutes before you bake this. So I've already lit, you can hear the sound of the oven because I'm about to go. So I've already preheated it for 10 minutes because I was on the camera. I have to turn it off, so I have to rewarm it again. So just 10 minutes, and then just margarine, or you can use oil, or just rub it. We're going to be using fork for our rock buns. So this is how I make my rock buns. Alright. We use fork for rock buns with the help of spatula. So guys, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. You're gonna leave it for 15 minutes. So guys, this is the finishing. As you can see, that's the rock buns. So maybe you should put more space, but I just love it rough like this. Guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video.